Today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is "She Turned a Simple Traffic Stop into an Arrest."
Officers were conducting a proactive patrol when they noticed a vehicle driving recklessly through traffic. They ran the license plate and discovered that it was not assigned to a temporary vehicle and it was expired.
Do you know the temp tag is expired?
I don't know. I just said, let me see. I can show you the text message. I said, let me see your car so I can take my baby to school and go to work.
No problem.
Why am I getting pulled over?
Your temp tag is expired. Where do you work at?
Right here in this, the part you see where they say taxes at.
Mm-hmm.
Today, my first day opening my own office.
Oh, really? Yeah. Congrats.
Thank you. This is my license.
Thank you.
And actually, with the temp tags, what do you want me to call?
There might be a registration or insurance in there.
I don't see nothing but snacks. I don't know if this is it.
No, this is different. Does he have any insurance for the car?
I'm sure he does.
Well, you make contact with him. I'll be right back, okay? American Credit Acceptance.
So it's still registered to a dealership?
Ohio.
For this, it's up to you what you want to do, but I would just take the tag and just explain to her, you know.
This can't be on the car. We're seizing it.
It's not assigned to a car. We're taking it.
And that would go into evidence, or?
There's no crime. I mean, I think this is probably the tag the dealer gave, but for some reason it didn't get registered properly. It's expired anyway. I would take it.
Okay, and tell her to figure out before she goes home.
And if you want to tell her, hey, look, call a dealership and see if they can do something for you, and you leave it on there and figure it out, you could, I guess. But I mean, it's expired. It's not valid.
Okay.
All right, hold on. We gonna see what's gonna happen. The other officer advised her, it's no real crime, no big deal. We just gonna take the tag and keep it pushing, figure out a way to get home or whatever the case may be. It sounds pretty smooth to me. Hopefully she don't get out of pocket and this goes real bad.
Double? All right.
So that's...
Was this the registration?
No. It's okay. So that tag's not coming back to this car. It's not coming back to anything.
He said he just told me the dealer said, I think 2 weeks or...
2 weeks?
Or he told him 2 weeks ago. It should be coming back though. It was the dealer, the tag.
The tag? So
yes.
He's already spoken to the dealer?
Yes, he's spoken to the dealer.
Okay.
I guess he's spoken to the dealer.
So technically you're not supposed to be driving this car if that tag is attached to it because it's not coming back to the vehicle.
Okay.
I was going to seize the tag, but since you're telling me he spoke to the dealer,
yes.
I'm not going to seize the tag just so you can get back home with this car. But once you get back home with this car today, don't drive it.
Okay.
Okay, until you get that new tag on it. Okay. It's not coming back to the car at all.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll definitely let the dealer.
Nice.
Well, he'll talk to the dealer again.
Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
Do you have any questions?
No.
So let me ask you, so you dropped your kid off at school?
Yep.
How old's your child?
Why these questions?
Well, because your car smells like weed, so I'm trying to explain something to you. How old's your child?
I don't want to answer no more questions.
Okay. What I'm trying to tell you is your car smells like weed.
Okay.
If you're driving a kid around in it,
No, I would never drive a kid around. Ain't no kids in the car.
Okay. When'd you drop your kid off?
Ain't nobody in the car with me. Ain't no kids in the
Awesome.
car.
Step out of the car.
No kids in the car with me.
Okay. Do you have anything illegal in the car we got to worry about?
It's not my car.
Well, that's not what I asked you.
I don't know what's in there. I just told you I went
You do back down.
Wait, how did this go? Whoa!
Okay, kid.
Whoa! How did this go so? Oh!
Kid, can I speak to someone else?
I'm telling you, put your stuff down and step out of the car.
Can I have a supervisor? Because I think you was just about to let me go. I don't understand why you're not letting me go. You
Based on your behavior right now and the smell of marijuana, we're searching your
I don't
car.
have no behavior problems. I'm just
telling you to step out of the car.
First time. I don't know. Let me call.
Okay. Step out of the car.
Can you please not touch me?
Step out of the
You gotta
car.
step out of the
Okay,
car.
I will, but can you please, why you put his hands on me though?
I'm telling you,
Step out of the
you're
car.
not listening. Step out of the car or you're going to jail. You understand?
What am I going to jail for?
Because you'll be for resisting if you don't get out of the car.
I'm not, but
Step out
you're
of the
grabbing
car.
me. Listen.
just step
First of
out
all,
of
for me to Listen, let me calm down.
We are calm down. Step out of the
No,
car.
I need to calm down.
Okay, step out of the car.
Because it feel like my heart is just racing
Ma'am,
because...
I'm telling you to step out of the car. You understand that?
Ma'am, we're gonna search your.
breathe.
I understand. We're gonna search your car, so we need you to step out of the car,
Step
okay?
out.
Why is he putting force on me?
Because we
you're not
need you to
gonna-
step out.
Okay, I
Just
will,
step
but you...
out. It's okay.
I understand that, but he didn't ever told me to step... He grabbed me
telling
before
you
he
to
told me
step out
to
of the
step
car.
out.
Just step out now. Just step out.
I don't think that's right, though.
We are searching your car. We can't have you in the car.
I don't have
She
kids in
going
the
for
car.
resisting
I
now.
understand, but due to the smell of
You
weed,
get a
we're
45.
gonna
I
search
do.
your car.
Like I said, I
Step
did.
out of the car, ma'am.
Why you
not
grabbing
gonna
me?
tell you
Why you
again, or you're
treating
going
me
to
like
jail.
that?
Just step out of the car.
Why are you treating me like that,
Okay.
though? Why are you treating me like that? Why are you treating me like that? Crystal, they pulling me over. These guys arrested me. Tell us to come on.
Hands on your back.
I don't understand what I put my hands behind.
We're
Put your
just
hand behind your back.
we're just going to detain you.
Because you're not listening.
You're
Put your,
hurting me.
put your hand behind your back and
You're
that's
hurting
it.
me for no reason.
Ma'am.
Right now you're being detained. Put
You're
your hand
not
behind your
under.
back.
You're not under arrest.
Why,
You're just being
why is he
detained.
grabbing me like that? Why? You was just about to let me go. Why?
You're being detained. Just put
Okay,
your
but
hands
you
on your
understand?
back.
Why is he grabbing on me? Help! Help me! Help me! Why is he being rough with me?
All we're asking you is put your
I'm
hand
not,
behind your
but
back.
look how he got my back. Look how he got my back.
Put your hand behind your back.
Handcuffs.
I didn't do anything
We're
wrong.
just detaining you, man. That's it.
But why is he being rough? You're a woman, you understand? He's being
Listen to me.
rough.
Put your then woman to woman. Put your hands behind your back.
That's why he got my hand. Oh my God, why are you being a jerk?
Stop resisting.
I'm not freaking resisting. You're hurting me.
Man, just
You are hurting me.
we asked you to step out of the car several times.
He was grabbing me before I asked him to step out the car, so you understand that, right?
Turn around and face the
Can you
car.
please
Just face the
help?
car.
Please!
Just face the car. I'm gonna take this. Your phone is right here.
Can you please answer the phone?
Okay. So since we did smell weed in your car, I'm gonna search your person as well. Okay.
Damn, I can't even open my whole office for my first day.
Ma'am, just face the car. Can you spread your feet
I
for
have
me?
anxiety.
I understand.
I don't think you can't have anxiety and be a cop.
That's not true.
If he could get his hands off of me. Why you still gonna touch me? You can bring me a jerk today. She is searching me, but I don't have no issue with her. She's not afraid of me. My hands is already.
Do you understand why we're searching your car, ma'am?
Yes, I understand why you're searching my car.
Okay. So what we're doing now is we're gonna wait for another unit to search the car, okay?
It's not even my car.
Okay. Did you say with your mom?
Nope. So she didn't want to go to the car at first. She's upset that I grabbed her arm.
No.
Oh, stop moving. Stop moving.
I just please turn around.
Just stand just like that, please.
You're not glad. You're not glad.
I have nothing to do with any of this. The supervisor's on the way. I'm just another officer, and my job is to just make sure that you don't move. Simple as that. Okay? We're just gonna stand
You're
here.
not telling me to do with my laptop.
We'll get it all figured out.
But you don't understand. I was just opening my store for the first time.
Ma'am, just hang tight. Everything will get solved.
I understand,
We're just
but
gonna stand.
you're not trying to hear me. Not trying to listen to me. It's just the
Ma'am,
call.
you asked for a supervisor. Supervisor on the way. You'll have your opportunity to speak with a supervisor.
All right, but I'm telling you,
Ma'am.
as a taxpayer and as a woman, I'm telling you.
Okay,
No.
I'm telling you, a supervisor will speak with
That's
you
not
and get
what I'm
everything
telling you.
solved.
I'm telling
My
you
job
something
right-
else.
My job right now is to just stand here. That's it.
So you don't care about nothing I
I didn't say I
said.
don't care,
But what I'm telling you is he was really being rough and just here.
and that's something that you can talk to the supervisor about.
Answer my phone, please.
Man, we're not going to move. We're just going to stand here.
There's a joint. It was right next to the cup.
Listen to them. They're gonna explain everything to you, okay?
So this is what we were smelling is marijuana, right?
Okay.
So you understand. You smell it,
Not my vehicle, okay.
but you're driving the car.
Okay.
I don't know why you're trying to make things difficult.
No,
I'm
but
trying to
I couldn't even find the insurance in the car. When you asked me for things, immediately I told her, this is not even my car. I can show you the text messages where I just said to someone, can I see your
If
car?
you're driving a car, you're responsible for what's in the car. Does that make sense? You're the only person driving this car. Nobody else is in this car. Just you. Right?
Okay.
Is that an accurate statement?
Right now, at this moment, I'm the only person driving this car. If I wasn't driving this car 5 minutes before me, it would just drop off to me.
I'm just explaining to you. When we get here, I don't know if you've been driving this car all day or if you just drove it 5 minutes ago. I don't know. All I know is this car smells like weed. I'm trying to talk to you about it. You instantly say I'm not going to answer that question.
You never asked me about no weed. You asked me what time I got my daughter off to school.
Yeah, I asked how old your daughter was, right? That's the first question I asked you. You said why. And I said because your car smells like weed.
You asked me about my daughter. Yeah. I don't want to answer no questions about my daughter. That's how I
and then when I told you the car smelled like weed, you said I don't want to answer any questions.
Because it's not even my car. When you pulled me over, all my windows was down, so I don't even know what the car smelled like. It was literally dropped off to me. I got in the car, dropped my daughter off, and literally came right here. This is not even 3 miles, 4 miles.
I just want to see if we can get on the same page with this is stupid. This is a little bit of weed. It's not a big deal, right? But when you're telling me you're not going to get out of the car, and I have to try to actually pull you out of the car, that's when you start getting into resisting.
Because what I'm getting out the car for?
Because your car smells like weed.
No, you didn't pull me out the car. No, you told me exactly. You can look at the camera.
Yes.
In the end, 33-year-old Ashley was charged with resisting an officer without violence and possession of less than 20 grams of cannabis. The cannabis charge was later dropped and she pled no contest to resisting without violence. Her adjudication was withheld and she was ordered to pay a total of $585 in costs and fees. At the time of making this video, all fees show unpaid. If you like this video,
Business must not be booming if she can't pay her fees. Oh man, I held a lot of my commentary until the end, just because I got some things to say, man. I got some things to say. One, for you smokers out there, stop smoking in the car. Stop smoking right before you get in the car. Stop that. You have to stop that habit. That smoking, it's like people smoke like they're fiends. Like dang, like you know, like how they had to hit the needle. You know how them people that be on that, you know, they be on that harder stuff. They need they fix. It's the same thing with this marijuana, man. People are fiended out over it. They need it every day. Every day. The reason why you got to stop doing that stuff is because it's easily detectable by somebody that doesn't smoke. A lot of law enforcement don't smoke. Just the reality of the situation. They might wait until they retire. They might, you know, they might do an edible or something like that. Maybe, you know, listen, it is what it is. But for the most part, law enforcement people, they're alcoholics. Yeah, I just gotta be honest with you. You know, they like the bar and stuff like that, you know, or some of them, they like that Snow White. You know what I mean? That's the reality of it. You know, they like that Snow White, man. If you don't know, figure it out. Okay, we trying to keep it YouTube friendly over here. But as far as that smoking and stuff like that, I mean, nah, man. That smoking marijuana, no. For the most part. Because when you get in that car, let's say you didn't smoke in the car and you just smoked before you left the house or whatever the case may be, or you're coming from somebody's house that smokes, it's on your clothes. So when you blow a stop sign, yeah, you may not have smoked, right? Or you may not have a joint in the car or anything like that, but it's on your hoodie. It's on your clothes. They smell it. And just the smell alone is enough for them to ask you to step out of the car and for them to search your car. You gotta stop doing that. And the whole reason why this search really happened is because the guy cop did get in his feelings. I gotta keep it honest with you. The older cop advised the lady cop what to do. The lady, she handled her business or whatever. She was very polite, very professional, everything. The guy was kind of trying to prove a point with the kid and all that stuff, whatever, and he didn't like her answer. So he asked her to step out of the car. That's what happened, okay? She didn't go along with his games. She didn't want to answer his questions. So he asked her to step out, and that's how it escalated. But this is why I said in the other video, where the lady cop, the lady officer was pretty much getting attacked by the guy, before a bystander came through, and some ladies agreed with me, but some ladies did not. Okay. And I made a statement where I said, you know, women police officers excel at certain things rather than other things, right? You know, the more physical and all that stuff, they're not really that good at. And we don't expect them to be, right? Guys are just naturally stronger and all that stuff, right? But some ladies don't understand, and they didn't understand that concept. But I said ladies are better at other things like de-escalation, you know, talking to, you know, if they got a male suspect, whatever, talking to a male or whatever, or even if they're dealing with a female, you know, women police officers are better dealing with females, right? Women are better dealing with other women, right? And we just seen this on display. That lady cop dealt with that woman wonderful. Even when they were doing the pat frisk and everything like that, the suspect had a problem with the guy, right? They were getting into it, but even with the pat frisk, she was letting the lady cop do whatever. Like, it was just the woman police officer would have been able to handle this a lot better than the guy would. You know, it just went from 0 to 100 so quick because he didn't like the answers that she gave. And that's really what happened. That's how the whole thing came out of nowhere, man. But yeah, lady cops are good at certain things, you know, and this was a great example of that. You know, I think if without the guy there and they were just dealing with each other, it would have went fine. It would have went perfectly fine, you know, but you know, whatever. Yeah, so I get officers. I give them like a 4. I mean, they're technically right. They technically did not do anything wrong, but come on, man. The marijuana thing, it was just uncalled for. Like, you already letting her go. I get it. You trying to prove your point, but come on, she know right from wrong. It is what it is. But the officers did not do anything wrong, and she did resist and all of that stuff. But I try to look at the origin of the situation. Yes, she did resist and not get out of the car and all that stuff, but what happened prior to that? Prior to that, they were dealing with a situation. She was being let go with a warning, and then you go from that to the other officers stepping in and, why does it smell like marijuana? And you just had a car. I'm trying to tell you something or what. And it just went left from there. So I think this arrest was uncalled for, but the cops technically didn't do anything wrong. Probably not a popular opinion, but that's my opinion. Okay. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to give them a 4. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.